Okay, hello, this is Aisatu. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be discussing personal finance. If you see me looking down, I have some notes. I want to make sure I hit all of my main talking points in this video. I feel like I have some great information, tips, and tricks that I can share with you guys today. Regardless if you are maybe experienced when it comes to personal finance or this is something new to you, I feel like there's something that hopefully anyone can take from this video. So let's just get started. So first, let's talk about budgeting. The first step to managing your personal finances is to create a budget. This involves tracking your income and expenses to ensure that you're not overspending and that you're saving enough for your goals. To create a budget, you can start by creating a list that just goes over all of your sources of income, such as your salary, side hustles. Then list out your monthly expenses. This is like utilities, rent, entertainment, groceries, and then from there you can determine how much you can afford to save each month and then make adjustments as necessary. This is something that I even do on my phone. Like, I have an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you can just go into your notes really quick and like jot down things that you remember. Something that kind of throws me off often is things I subscribe to. So that's just another thing I want to throw in there before moving on to my second main talking point, and making sure that all your subscriptions that you're no longer using have been canceled and then are not charging your card automatically monthly. That's messed me up a couple times, and when that happens, there's not much you can do about it. You can't get your money back. So always stay on top of who has your information. And then number 2, investing. Investing is a key component of personal finance. By investing your money, you can grow your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals a lot faster. There are many different types of wealth, and over time you can achieve your goals. There's a hold on, I'm getting mixed up in my notes. There are many different types of investments that help you achieve some of your wealth goals a lot faster, including stocks, bonds, real estate. Real estate is something that I've just recently started getting into, which is really exciting. And it's important to do your research though and determine which investments are right for you based on your tolerance and financial goals. It's a lot of information when starting investments, so definitely do your research. So let's move on to my third talking point, which is debt management. So debt can be a major obstacle when it comes to achieving your goals. It can also help you if you do it the right way. And if you have debt, it's important to come up with a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. One popular strategy that I've heard of is like the debt snowball method, which involves paying off your smallest debts first and then using the money you were paying towards those debts to pay off larger debts. These can help you gain momentum, and stay motivated as you work to become debt-free, which is the ultimate goal. Then let's move on to number 4, retirement planning. So retirement planning is really important. It depends on what type of job you're working. Investing for your future and making sure that you have enough to survive for the rest of your life once you stop working is very fundamental. And things like a recession or inflation can really change that, and that's not something you really plan for, but you can in a way. It's a lot of information, but ultimately this means saving enough money to support yourself during like the golden years. And one common way to serve yourself justice and save for retirement is through a 401k or an IRA or Roth IRA, which I'm not going to talk about in this video. I can talk about that in another video. But these are types of accounts that offer tax advantages and can help you build a substantial nest egg over time. So there you have it. Sorry. So there you have it. These were some of my tips for personal finance by creating a budget, investing your money, managing your debt, and planning for retirement. You can achieve your financial goals and live the life that you've always dreamed of. So I really appreciate you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and tricks, and yeah, thanks for watching.